This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make oven pork ribs. First, prepare your ribs by removing the thin membrane from the bone side. This ensures a more tender bite. Next, generously season both sides of the ribs with your favorite dry rub, making sure to cover every inch. Finally, preheat your oven to 275 degrees Fahrenheit, setting the stage for perfectly cooked, fall-off-the-bone ribs. Once seasoned, wrap each rack of ribs tightly in heavy-duty aluminum foil. This creates a steamy environment, locking in moisture and flavor during the long cook. Place the wrapped ribs on a baking sheet, ensuring they are bone side down for even heat distribution. Bake them in your preheated oven for 2.5 to 3 hours, or until they are incredibly tender. After baking, carefully unwrap the ribs and discard any liquid in the foil. Now it's time for the delicious finishing touch. Liberally brush your favorite barbecue sauce over both sides of the ribs. Then, return them to the oven under the broiler for 5 to 10 minutes. Watch closely as the sauce caramelizes, creating a beautiful, slightly crispy crust that seals in all that amazing flavor. Allow your perfectly cooked ribs to rest for about 10 minutes before slicing them into individual portions. This resting period helps the juices redistribute, ensuring every bite is succulent and flavorful. Garnish with a little fresh parsley or a final sprinkle of dry rub for presentation. For more great tips and deals, check the description below, including a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money. Enjoy your incredible homemade oven ribs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.